Hello and welcome back to my another tutorial video on MIT App Inventor. In the previous video, we created our demo application. We just play and pause the music. And we also learned about the visibility property of the components that we add on our screen. Now in this video, we will be controlling these properties related to the screen. Okay. So in this video, I will add another button here, and by clicking on any of the button, we will change the color of our screen. Okay. So first of all, let's just delete all these components from here. This is our previous application, and we are just going to modify this. Okay, now also delete the sound from here. Okay, and also let's reset the configuration of our screen. So go to the alignment and set it to left top, and again to top. All these settings are the by default settings. Okay, now go to the user layout section and select the horizontal alignment and drag and drop on the screen. Select the horizontal alignment from the component section and do the settings like fill height. Set the height to fill parent. Click on OK and do the same for the width. Okay, and vertical alignment, set it to the bottom. And now go to the user interface and select three buttons. Drag and drop three buttons on the screen: button 1, button 2, and button 3. Okay, so this is the just basic configuration for this. We have selected one horizontal alignment and we have set the settings like dimensions of these two as per to fit our screen, and we have added three buttons on our horizontal alignment. Now go to the block section. Okay, now click on button 1. Click on button 1 and select when button 1 is clicked. Okay, so now click on horizontal, select the horizontal alignment and look for the color properties. Here is the set horizontal alignment dot background 2. So you have to select this item from the here and place this in this section. Now go to this color properties and select any color you want. For example, for the first we will choose right. Okay, and now Control C, copy and paste this section over here. Now go to this button properties and select the button from 1 to button 2 and click on this color, and you can select any color from here. For example, I'm selecting the green one. Okay, now again paste the same thing on the screen and change the color change the button from button 1 to button 3, so that we have algorithm for the three buttons: button 1, button 2, and button 3. Here we are having the same color for button 1 and button 3. So again click on the color and choose a different color for button 3. For example, I'm choosing this blue one. So when I click on button 1, when I click on button 1, this will change my background to red. Button 2 will change my background to green, and button 3 will change my background to this blue. Okay, now go to so now go to this connect section. Click on AI companion. You can choose either this. You can scan this code or you can use this alphabetic code here to just get this application on your mobile screen. Now go to Play Store or just open the MIT A2 companion application. Just scan this QR code and this will transfer the interface from your desktop or your PC to your mobile phone, and you can just check the working of your application. So here we are having the three buttons: button 1, button 2, and button 3. Okay, let's just check the working of our application. So when we click on button 1, this must change the color from white to red. Okay, so just click on button 1. Here you can see that color is changed from white to red. Now just check for button 2. This must change to green. Here is changed to green. And let's check for button 3. This must change to blue. In this way you can create your application, custom application. So this is the second tutorial video. We will be creating a little bit harder applications in future videos. So do not forget to subscribe below to get notified for the further videos. And thank you so much for watching.